Hello students. So today we shall study the last part of mycology, that is the economic importance of fungi, especially the role of fungi in agriculture. So this is Rekha from Government Science College, Bangalore. So fungi includes hundreds of species which are highly economically important to man. So our lives are intimately linked directly or indirectly with the fungi. So these fungi are achlorophyllous, that is, they do not have the chlorophyll pigment and hence they are heterotrophic in nutrition. So they lead their life either as saprophytes or parasites. They play an important role in medicine, yielding antibiotics, in agriculture by maintaining the fertility of the soil and causing plant diseases, and of course it forms a basis of a number of industries. So, some of them at times cause serious diseases, while others are of immense importance to green plants and mankind. So, firstly, coming to the role of fungi in agriculture. So, fungi has both positive and negative role in agriculture. So, coming to the beneficial aspects, first one is like soil fertility. Like bacteria, fungi also helps in decay and decomposition of the dead bodies of plants and animals by releasing the enzymes. So during the decomposition process, complex organic compounds such as cellulose, hemicellulose, chitin, pectin and lignin, they are converted into simpler compounds such as carbon dioxide, water, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, etc., which is either returned to the soil or released into the air. So they are reused by the plants for the production of foods. So fungi also acts as biocontrol agents. Some fungal inhabitants of the soil help to fight against the disease caused by the soil-borne fungi. Trichoderma Harzianum is used to control the blight of tomato caused by Alternaria solani. So you can see the symptoms of the disease in tomato leaf as well as in the tomato plant, which is caused by Alternaria solani, which can be controlled by another fungi which is called as Trichoderma Harzianum. Trichoderma lignarum and Gleocladium fimbriatum inhibits the growth of mycelium of Pythium, which causes damping of disease of the seedlings and promote the growth of plants. Trichoderma Harzianum is used to control the blight of peanut caused by Sclerotium rolfici. The Gleocladium roseum, it controls the white mold Sclerotinia. Trichoderma lignorum suppresses the growth of the root rot fungus Pythium. Growth of Rhizoctonia solani can be checked by Penicillium vermiculatum. So you can see the structure of penicillium in the left hand side of the figure, and the blight of peanut caused by the Sclerotium rolfii can be seen in the next picture. So which is controlled by Trichoderma Harzianum. Thirdly, myconematicide. Myco means fungus, nematicide, killing of the nematodes. So some of the fungi acts as predators and it traps and destroys the nematodes. So these fungi, it form loops which act as nooses. They tighten and strangle the nematodes as they try to pass through it. So you can see the diagram here where the fungi has formed the loop surrounding this nematode. So they send some special hyphae to absorb the nutrition. For example, the fungus Nematophthora gynophilia parasitizes the cyst of Heterodira avinae. Next one is entomogenous fungi or entomopathogenic fungi. So what is it entomopathogenic fungus means? It is a fungus that can act as a parasite on insects and kills or seriously disables them. Some fungi such as Empusa sepulocrarisus, Metarhizium anisopliae, Cordyceps milothaceae, etc. are used to control the insect. So Bavaria bassiana is used to control certain insects like borers, thrips and aphids. So the fungus Metarhizium anisopliae is a biocontrol agent which controls the rhinoceros beetle and black rice bug. So next is the growth hormone. Gibberella fugicori produces a growth hormone known as gibberellins, which accelerates stem elongation, germination, dormancy, flowering, flower development, the leaf and the fruit senescence. So in this diagram you can see the two pots, one treated with gibberellin and other untreated with the gibberellin. You can see the elongation of the stem. So fungi in mycorrhizal association. So mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between the root of higher plants and the fungi. So some of the plants cannot thrive without the association of mycorrhiza, example orchids. So mycorrhizal fungi allow the plants to draw more nutrients and water from the soil. They also increase the plant tolerance to different environmental stresses. So moreover, these fungi play a major role in soil aggregation process and stimulate microbial activity. So mycorrhiza provides a number of benefits to the plants and of course to the environment. So you can see the plant wherein you can see the mycorrhizal association. So it produces more vigorous and healthy plants. It increases the plant establishment and survival at seeding and transplanting stage. It increases the yields and crop quality. It improves the drought resistance, allowing the reduction in watering, enhance flowering and fruiting. So it optimizes fertilizers use, especially phosphorus. It increases the tolerance to soil salinity. It reduces the disease occurrence. It contributes to maintain soil quality and nutrient cycling and contribute to the control of soil erosion. So these are some of the beneficial aspects. Coming to the negative role of fungi or the harmful aspects of fungi. So they cause a number of diseases in the crop, fruit and other economically important plants and causes tremendous economic loss. Some of the important diseases caused by the fungi are the rust disease. So rust disease is caused by the members which belong to the order Puccineales. So in this diagram you can see the black stem rust or the wheat stem rust caused by Puccinea graminis. The second important disease is the smut disease. Smut disease is caused by the fungus Ustilago species. It mainly infects the inflorescence, flowers, anthers, etc. The infected grains get filled with black colored sooty powder which are called as the smut spores. Example is covered smut of barley is caused by Ustilago hardii. The third one is the rot disease. It is caused by several soil-borne fungi. So rot diseases are characterized by plant decomposition and putrefaction. The decay may be hard, dry, spongy, watery or slimy and may affect any part of the plant. Example is root rot which is caused by Phytophthora species, Pythium species, etc. So this is the diagram wherein it shows the disease stem rot of papaya caused by Pythium afinodermatum. So next disease, important disease is the blast disease of paddy which is caused by the fungus Pyricularia oryzae. So the main symptom of this disease is the elongated brownish lesions seen on the leaf blade, leaf sheath, culm and panicles. In advanced stages of disease, the necrotic rotting of the neck takes place and falling of the ears occurs. Hence, this disease is also called as neck blast disease. So, the next important disease is the blight disease. It is characterized by a rapid and complete chlorosis, browning and death of the plant tissues such as leaves, branches, twigs, or floral organs. Example, late blight of potato, which is caused by Phytophthora infestans, the disease which has led to the Great Irish Famine. So, Irish famine is one of the milestone in the history of plant pathology. So, in this diagram, you can see the symptom or the rotten, potato, spoiled potato caused by Phytophthora infestans. So, this is a list of some important plant diseases. The club root of crucifers caused by Plasmodiophora brassicae, wart disease of potato caused by Syncytium endobioticum, damping off of seedlings caused by Pythium species, white rust of crucifers caused by Albigo candida, powdery mildew of wheat is caused by Erysipeae graminis, ergot disease of rye is caused by Clavices purpurea, rust of wheat is caused by Puccinia graminis, covered smut of barley is caused by Ustilago hardii, ergot disease of rye is caused by Claviceps purpurea, green ear disease of bajra is caused by Sclerospora graminicola, stem rot of papaya caused by Pythium afinidermatum, downy mildew of peas is caused by Erysipeae polygonii. See, apart from causing diseases in plants, fungi has other harmful effects such as it causes destruction of timber. So, the polyporous Serpulia, Fusarium, Conifera, Lentinus and Penicillium, it reduces, it destructs or it destroys the timber, reducing the mechanical strength of the wood. So, several fungi such as Alternaria, Penicillium, Aspergillus, Mucor, Fusarium and Stachybotrys, it causes the destruction of cotton and woolen in storage. So, some of the species like Aspergillus, Alternaria, Fusarium, Dimatium, Mucor, Cladosporium, Chaetomium, etc., they are responsible for the extensive damage to the paper books, newspapers and paper industry. Thank you.